Hello everyone, hope all is well today. My name is Jelamat, and today we'll go through question 3, which discusses supernatural phenomena. Here we have responses from 1,012 adults. We asked them to express their belief concerning certain supernatural phenomena. So for example, a person could say yes to psychic healing, could say no to extrasensory perception, but then could say yes to ghosts. So this means that actually our categories are not mutually exclusive. A person could be counted in more than one category. And here, to verify this, what we'll do is we'll add up the percentages. And so if we compute the total, we should get 100%, but here we actually see that we end up with 185. So this means that some people are actually counted more than once, and so we don't end up to 100%. And so then when we look at the categories ghosts and astrology, so part A of the question asks if it's reasonable to conclude that 66% of the respondents express a belief in ghosts or astrology. So if we look at the two categories ghosts and astrology, we add up 38% and 28%, we end up with 66%. And then the question is, well, does this mean that 66% of the respondents had or expressed a belief in ghosts or astrology? And the answer to this is no. So part A is no. And why? Well, our categories are not mutually exclusive. So if they're not mutually exclusive, this means that there could be one or more respondents that fall in both ghosts and astrology. And so if we add up the percentages for both of these categories, we could have some individuals which are actually counted twice. And so this will not respond then. So actually, if we account for the fact that some people were counted twice, the real percentage of people that believe in ghosts or astrology is probably most likely smaller than 66%. Okay. In part B, we ask, can you tell what percentage of the population does not believe in any of these phenomena? Well, if we were to count all of the percentages for these categories and they were mutually exclusive, we should end up with a count that's 100% or less, and this difference would actually represent the percentage of people that do not believe in any of these phenomena. But because the categories are not mutually exclusive, we cannot perform this sum or difference. And so how do we solve the problem? So we need to create a new category. What is this category going to be? Well, it could be other, or do not believe in any of these phenomena. So we need to create a new category. Okay. For part C, we want to create a suitable chart. Pie chart would not be suitable because when we're constructing a bar chart, we're assuming that the parts are mutually exclusive. However, we could construct a bar chart where each bar simply represents the people that said yes for that particular category. And so if we look down in the solution for this problem, we created a bar chart using a Minitab. If you follow the instructions given in the solution, you'll see how to do this. We'll construct a video even a bit later to show you how to do this as well. Okay, so thank you.